Today's topic is greater number and smaller number.
Smaller and bigger numbers. Count the objects in each group and write their number in the box. Write the bigger number in the circle. First, let us count the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 apples. So write 5 in the box. Let's see how many custard apples are there. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 custard apples. Okay, now you tell me. 3 is bigger or 5? You're right, it is 5. So write 5 in the circle. Count the objects and write their numbers in the box. Write the smaller number in the circle. Let us count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 flowers, so write 7 in the box. Let us count the butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 butterflies, so write 4 in the box. Now, 4 is smaller or 7? Yes, it is 4. So write 4 in the circle.
So students, hope you have understood the topic and now you can easily identify the greater number and the smaller number. Now you look at this sheet and at first you count the objects and write the numbers in the boxes. Then you identify and circle the greater number. Okay, let's start. All of you count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First, here is 7 trees. The next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now you tell me which one is greater number, 7 or 9? Yes, here 9 is greater than 7. So circle 9. Now count the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Here you write 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Write 11. Now you see, when it will be 2-digit number, then you first need to check the first digit. Here the first digit is 1 and here also same digit. So now you check the second digit, which one is greater. Here 4 and here is 1. So obviously 4 is greater than 1. So the 14 is greater than 11. You circle 14. Now the next one. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Right here 14. Now the next one. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So right here 20. Now in this case you again see the first digit. Here it is 1 and here it is 2. So the numbers are not same. So you can identify which one is greater and you need not to go to the second digit. So here 2 is greater than 1. So tell me kids, which one is greater number? Yes, 20 is the greater number. So the next you have to identify the smaller number and have to circle it. Okay, so like I taught you earlier, you will apply the same formula. Okay, now first you count with me. 1 2 3 4 5. Write 5 here. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now tell me which one is greater and which one is smaller? Yes, 7 is greater and 5 is smaller. So you have to circle the 5 here. Now count the next one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So now first you checking the first digit, then the second. First one is 1, here also 1, and the second one is here 1 and here 4. So 1 is smaller than 4. So here 11 is smaller than 14. Okay, so you circle 11. Now the next one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So here also you first see the first digit. Here is 1 and here is 2. So here also you need not to go the second digit. You can identify from here only. So here 1 is smaller than 2. So 10 is smaller than 20. Circle 10. So kids, in this sheet you no need to count. You just need to identify and circle the greater number and smaller number. First here you have to circle the greater number and this side you have to circle the smaller number. So here 2 and 4. Now you tell me which one is greater? Yes, 4 is greater. 9 and 7. So which one is greater number? Yes, 9. 12 and 16. So you can say easily first digit is the same and the second digit is 2 and 6. So 6 is greater than 2. So here 16 is greater than 12. Here also 21 and 28. So here which one is greater? Yes, 28. Next one 35 and 32. Here yes, 35 is greater. And here you see 50 and 43. So check the first digit 5 and 4. So here 5 is greater than 4. So here 50 is greater than 43. Circle 50. And here now you have to circle the smaller number. See first one 3 and 1. So now tell me which one is smaller? Yes, 1. 1 is smaller than 3. You have to circle here 1. 6 and 8. Yes, 6 is smaller. 15 and 11. Now see the first digit 1 and 1 same. The second one is 5 and 1. Yes, the 1 is smaller than 5. So here 11 is smaller than 15. Next one 29 and 23. So here 23 is smaller than 29. Next one 33 and 39. So here 33 is smaller than 39. And the last one 41 and 45. So here you see 1 is smaller than 5. So this one is smaller. Okay. So students, in book you have to do 6 pages from page number 60 to 65. First you have to count the objects, write the numbers and circle the greater number. 1 is done for you. Next you count the objects, write the numbers, identify the smaller number. 1 is done for you. And next is, you no need to count here, just identify the greater number, circle it. Here also 1 is done for you. And the next page number 65, here you have to identify the smaller number and you have to circle it. And here also 1 is done for you. So students, practice math. Thank you. Bye bye.